Back for another update. Let's take a look at this coin called XNO. Very risky coin, very risky trade, but it is a good good risk reward trade. Even though we're capitalizing on the C wave of a corrective structure, it's still a good risk reward if you know when to sell. Like usually people, they hold on to this and then it comes down like this and then they round trip their bag. So you should always sell into strength and sell into expansion, because sometimes that expansion may not last, right? It could just be corrective. But taking a look here at XNO, we have a 5-wave move to the downside for your 1 or your A wave, and then we start our corrective move from there. So we started our corrective move in October 2023, had a 3-wave move up for your A, 3-wave move down for your B, then you had a huge push to the upside. Notice how we swept the August 2023 lows and we swept the September 2024 lows with this wick over here. And this wick was in March 2025. Then we rallied back into the range, formed a bull flag, but let's not rule out manipulation down to these supports over here, these Fibonacci supports. Right over here can come down to any of these supports and then blast off to these range highs, see a little bit of a retrace, and then continuation up to around 0.0014. It would be a nice 2019x to that level, and then it may even wick a little bit above, so maybe 25 to 30x. Now be very careful with this coin because this is a C wave, right? And first target would be the 1.618 at 7.8x, 2.618 at 12x, 3.618 at 18x, and then the 4.618 at 23x, with the possibility of coming up here. So basically, you just want to take profit, or you scale out at this fib cluster over here, right over here. This is the fib cluster you'd want to scale out at for the anticipation of this move down back into the range, okay, to take out all of these longs. Okay, now that's if we get above this level right here, and if we stay above these two supports. Okay, we must stay above those two supports. We can still wick down to the lower fibs and lose these two supports, but as long as we don't lose it on a closing basis, like on the weekly, for example, right? Look at this weekly candle over here on March 10th. Bullish hammer. Let me see over here. Or sorry, this is a Morningstar reversal candlestick. Okay, so you may see a wick below this low towards these supports and then a push up. But if you lose the 786, then it's invalidated and we would have to reevaluate. But yeah, this is what I see on XNO. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out. Take it easy. See you in the next one.